Hi again, I'm Sydney from Coh&Co. Ever wonder why some bikes are swapping out their traditional chains for a belt? Today, we're gonna delve into the world of belt-driven bicycles and why they're gaining popularity. Let's kick things off with an age-old problem, corrosion. Chains rust, they're messy, and keeping them well lubricated is a chore. Belts, on the other hand, require no lubrication 99.9% of the time. Say goodbye to oily pant legs and hello to a clean, hassle-free ride. Plus, belts run quieter than chains, providing a smooth and silent journey through the streets. Concerned about lifespan? A well-adjusted belt can outlast a chain by a significant margin. While a chain might last 5,000 to 12,000 kilometers, a belt can easily endure 30 to 50,000 kilometers. That's a game changer in terms of maintenance and longevity. Now, let's talk about the powerhouse behind our belt-driven bicycles, Gates carbon belts. We've chosen to work with Gates, a pioneer in the field since the 1980s. Their continuous toe of carbon fiber encapsulated in a sheath with robust teeth ensures strength, durability, and a lightweight design. Gates introduced the game-changing center track in 2010, optimizing efficiency while reducing weight and wear. The spline at the center of the cog meshes with the track in the belt, allowing mud and grime to be flushed out. It's innovation at its finest. Of course, no technology is perfect. Belt-driven bicycles have their drawbacks. They're not compatible with classic rear derailleurs, there's limited gear options, and rear hub motors also pose a challenge, but solutions like gearboxes in the crank can overcome this hurdle. While some may argue that a minor loss in efficiency, especially at low speeds, the longevity, reliability, and maintenance-free nature of belt-driven systems offer great value for money. Additionally, the price is justified by the extended lifespan and low maintenance requirements. Gates offers a wide range of models for various markets. At Coh&Co, we swear by CDX, CDC, and CDN series, each offering a unique blend of performance, robustness, and price. Our proprietary modular dropouts make frame compatibility a breeze. Before we wrap up, let's address the 0.1% of the time when belts may creak, especially in freezing temperatures. A quick spritz of Teflon spray and you're good to go. No oil needed. So there you have it. Belt-driven bicycles, especially those powered by Gates carbon belts, offer a quieter, cleaner, and more durable alternative to traditional chains. Consider making the switch for a smoother ride through the urban jungle. Thanks for watching. Until next time, happy riding.